Hello, my name is Sue Grant, and today we are having a good look at the Oyster 655 ROCAS. Here she is in Barcelona from 2008. She's got a carbon spar by Hall. It was on the ground in 2021, new paint. Had a 30,000 miles service, lovely rod on it and fully battened arrangement. We're just getting on board via her carbon passerelle. And here she has this fantastic twin wheel arrangement and access to the cockpit. Very good looking yacht. Teak decks looking amazing. She's skipper maintained and in really shining good shape. And we're just going to have a walk forward in a minute. She's running on Raymarine. There's a 120 chart plotter there with radar. And both the primaries and secondaries, which are Lumar, are electric, as is the main sheet and halyard lift. Very easily handled, and of course the full battened mainsail arrangement means that you get the most out of this Rob Humphreys design. Lovely pilot house windows, all in brilliant condition. She had a big review at Fox's in Ipswich over last winter. Anything that needed doing was done. Cutter rig. You see she's got Reckman at the front, which is the best, and the sails by Doyle. They're about 50% of the way through life. Big CQR anchor. Look at this fabulous rig, triple spreader, and all in gleaming white. Looking absolutely faultless. Lovely clear decks. Everything is in great shape. Spinnaker pole stowed on the mast. She's just getting ready for the winter, so she's being put to bed. That spray hood was replaced in 2021, and she's got a very good Bimini arrangement over the cockpit. Useful V-boom, which makes stowing the mainsail very easy. Side gates port and starboard, which drop down to make boarding ladders. Very large and comfortable cockpit. There's a really good connection between the helm and everybody else on the yacht when you're cruising. All of the safety gear is new 2021, and you can see the life raft just underneath this seating area aft. Large lazarette aft. Separate access into the owner's cabin, just to the right. Lovely carbon wheels. And then a really easy access into the cockpit. This large table is refrigerated. Really lovely space to spend time. And then we'll have a look below in a minute. And here we are in the main saloon, all in teak. Look at this lovely burr table, leather upholstery. Wonderful space for spending time. Avonite surfaces. Great large galley, which is very good for working in at sea. Twin sinks. Lots of storage and properly fiddled. Beautifully finished inside as well as out. Microwave, of course. Electric cooking. It's Panasonic, 3-burner, oven, grill, no gas on board. And then we're going to walk forward first and into the VIP cabin, a large double berth with an ensuite heads, separated shower, Avonite surfaces again. All looks just out of the box. I love the detailing of the ebony here and there, which you can see if you look closely. And then here is an upper and lower berth cabin. This is a Pullman, and at the moment it's set up with the bottom berth as a double, so that's very versatile. And this is the heads compartment for this cabin, again with a separated shower stall. Jack and Jill arrangement, so this also doubles as the day head for the yacht. She's got ocean air blinds, easy access into the main saloon. This table extends so that you really can have a lot of people for dinner as you wish. She's fully air conditioned. Lovely chart table area, funky chair. She's running on Raymarine. She's also got Sailor Fleet 250 Began. I love these switch panels that Oyster do. They're very clear, very easy to understand. And then to my right is the engine space, and then there is an upper and lower berth cabin to starboard with lots of storage. She's got a Perkins Sabre 187 turbo as well as an Onan generator. And here we are in the owner's cabin aft. Lovely exit onto the aft deck, which is very cool. A sofa, large double berth. Another seating area to port. Masses of storage, light and airy, lots of headroom. Lovely heads. The vacuum flush loo, again separated shower stall. Very comfortable place to spend extended periods. Because there's masses of space, she's also got a little desk area on the starboard side, which works really well. ROCAS, Oyster 655 for all oceans.